Hey guys, Tony here. So I am looking at the Shopify. It's looking really, really nice right now. I think I am going to be doing be doing one debit spread right now, and depending how we close tomorrow, I might be doing another one. Just because they're not that far off. Like, these debit spreads are great, but they're not like what is it called? They're not how would you call this? Like they don't go up to 1900. Like that's the crazy part. I can basically buy in the money puts for like $200 and something right now, which is the crazy part. So I might just be I'm gonna be doing just one in the money call. So we'll buy call, sell this one, 245. Sure, I'll buy one. We'll do debit. I'll do 250. See if that's get filled. So we got filled. We have one debit spread for shop, and it's for September. If we do end up closing tomorrow bullish on that weekly candle, I am going to be purchasing two more debit spreads, because the crazy part is that they don't have out the money options that far out. And you guys know that for September 3rd, actually September 17th actually goes way further out. You know what? I might actually end up doing debit spreads on September 17th. So if we do close tomorrow bullish, I'll probably do September 17th for 1800, maybe something like 1800, and then another one for something like, I don't know, something else. But the crazy part is these September 3rds are really, really cheap right now. And for it being a debit spread, like, and just having like an extra day, like, these are already going to be maybe in the money by a lot, which is pretty crazy. I would prefer these September 3rds over the September 17th and going super out of the money. These are in the money debit spreads, which are absolutely really good price right now for a shop. So I'll see you guys later. I bought one. I'll probably be buying one more maybe tomorrow if we do close on the bullish side. But if Shopify doesn't hit that weekly candle close, then I'll probably close this debit spread. We're already up $55. If we go back down again, I'll probably just buy another one. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you guys later.